now we're jumping into chapter 11, and we're going to be looking at a coordinate system. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So I want to go over what a coordinate system looks like and some terminology you're going to need to know. All right, so if you'll notice, I have a grid and then I have a darker vertical line and a darker horizontal line with arrows. All right, so the horizontal line is your x-axis. The vertical line is called your y-axis. Now, where they intersect, smack dab in the middle, this is called your origin. It's the middle one, okay? We have what are called quadrants. Now, this is where it's weird. We usually start here and would go this way, but we start here and go counterclockwise. So this is known as quadrant 1, and we use Roman numbers. Quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking what are called ordered pairs, and we're going to learn how to plot them on this coordinate system. All right, pairs means two numbers. So you're always going to be given two numbers. The first one is your x, what is called your x coordinate. And that is in relationship to the x-axis. So that means you will move left or right. The second number is your y-coordinate, and that is in relationship to this vertical line, so that means you will move up or down. Now, the origin, oh, I spelled that wrong. There we go. Origin, its ordered pair is 0, 0, because that is where you always start. Okay? All right, now, whether we go left or right or up or down, so since the x-coordinate is first, that means that we'll always move left or right. All right, so it started at the origin. So if I move to the right, that means I had a positive number. If I move to the left, that means I had a negative number. And then the y-coordinate that is up or down, up is a positive number, down is a negative number. Okay? All right. So, here are some ordered pairs, and we're going to plot these. So we have point A all the way to point E. Okay? So remember, ordered pairs, you always move left or right, then up or down. Okay? So I'm going to start at the origin. Positive 2 means move to the right. 1, 2. Positive 4 then means go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's point A. Notice point B, so again I start in the origin, and the first number you move left or right, and since it's negative 3, it tells me to go to the left. 1, 2, 3. Positive 1 means go up 1. There's point B. C, these are both negative, so I start at the origin, the first number, left or right. Since it's negative, I'll go to the left 2, 1, 2, and negative 2 then means to go down 2, 1, 2. So here is point C. Again, start in the origin, first number left or right. Negative 5 means to go to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then notice it says 0, so it means don't go up or down. So point D is right there. Again, I start at the origin. First one tells me to go left or right, and since it's a 0, I'm not going to move left or right. Positive 4 means to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, what if I ask you what quadrant is each number in? So remember, 1, 2, 3, 4. So point A would be in quadrant 1. Point B would be in quadrant 2. Point C is in quadrant 3. D, notice it's not in a quadrant. Where is it? It lies on the x-axis. Point E, notice it's not in a quadrant. It lies on the y-axis. All right, so that's how you plot points. All right. Now, the second one is, you're going to be given the points and you have to tell me the ordered pair. So I'm going to make this one point A, this one point B, this is point C, D, E. There should be one, oh, I added, I'll add those in a minute. Okay, so again, to get to point A, I know I'm going to do an ordered pair. All right, so I start in the middle, and to get to A, I'm going to have to go left first. So that means a negative number. 1, 2. So I went to the left, 2. Then I go up, positive, 1, 2, 3. So that ordered pair is negative 2, 3. All right, point B, I start in the origin. Now notice I'm going to go to the right, so it's going to be positive 1, 2, 3, and then up, so that's positive 1, 2. All right, point C, start at the origin. I go to the right, positive 1, and then I go down, negative 1. Point D, start at the origin. I go to the right, or positive 1, 2, 3. And then down 1, so that would be negative 1. And then point E, I started in the origin. So do this, if you can see it. And I go to the left, or negative 2. So I went negative 2, and then I go down, or negative 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right. What I need to do is add an F. So put F right here. So I want that ordered pair. All right, so start at the origin. Now to get to F, I will not move left or right, so that means that that would be 0, and then I go down 1, 2, 3, so that would be negative 3. Then let's put G right here. All right, so start at the origin, I go to the right, so I go positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, positive 6, and then I'm there. I don't go up or down, so I would then put 0. All right. So, oh, these are different. So point F is different than this F. So let's call this, name these something different. G, H, I, J. All right? So if I located H, negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 2, 1, 2, there's H. I, to the left 3, 1, 2, 3, up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then J, start at the origin, positive 2, 1, 2, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, J. Okay, so what quadrant is H in? 1, 2, 3. What quadrant is I in? Here's I, 1, 2. What quadrant is J in? 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. All right, now maps is where you use coordinate system and quadrants a lot. Now, they don't necessarily show an X and a Y axis, but notice what they do show. This is numbers, and this is letters. Okay, so this is a map of Yorkshire. What is located at the following ordered pairs? I'm going to have to get my readers out because I know this is very small. All right, it says D7. So I'm going to go to D, and I'm going to go to 7. And I'm going to come down here, and I find, looks like Rotherham. Okay, E4, so here's E, here's 4, come together, and I find York. And then B5, good grief, not sure what that second letter is, something bridge, I think it's HA, we're going to pretend. You guys have better eyes than I do. So we have HABDN bridge. So that's how you read a map. If you ever need to read a map, it's not on your phone. Okay? All right? Then we're going to use this as well in relationship to a seating chart. So we have a seating chart. Here are some names. Okay? Notice we have numbers down here. This is like your x-axis. And then the numbers here are like your y-axis. So let's just talk about Hannah. Hannah would be, if we started in the corner, we would go over 1, up 5. So this would be over 1, up 5. So Hannah would be 1, 5. Okay, so that's how we do this. All right, so who sits in the following locations? 3, 4. So we start in the corner, we go 1, 2, 3, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be Bill. He is at 3, 4. So we would put Bill. All right. 5, 1. Now Hannah was 1, 5. So be careful. This is 5, 1. So we go over 5, up 1. So Ava is 5, 1. 4, 3. So in the corner we go over 4 and up 3. That would be Todd. And then 1, 2, over 1, up 2 is Terry. All right, so that's when, oops, sorry. That's when they give you the ordered pair. You have to find the name, okay? Now they're going to give you the name. Try to bend this so you can, and you have to find the ordered pair. All right. Todd, so I find Todd. Oh, guess what? We already did that. Over 4, up 3. So that ordered pair is 4, 3. Lori, here's Lori. So to get to Lori, I would go over 2, up 3. Over 2, up 3. Terry. Oh, we already did Terry as well. Over 1, up 2. Marvin, that was my uncle's name. Here's Marvin. So we go over 5, up 4. Okay? All right, so that's your introduction to a coordinate system.